Hello and welcome one more time to La Cosecha Coffee. Today I want to talk to you one more time about the Aeropress. First, I want to show you the conventional method. Preference is the inverted method. Try both methods and see which one works better for you. You can find a link in the description below, but also you can pick up this hand grinder. I really like it because you can adjust the size of the beans. You don't need electricity. All you need to do is throw your grains here or your beans here, cover it, and then put it together and grind it. The only problem with this is it takes pretty long, but if you're outdoors or if you're camping, this is a great gadget. You can also pick up this kettle by Southland. This one has a thermometer on the top and it will tell you when your water is ready. The appropriate temperature for Aeropress brewing is between 195 and 205 degrees. And this one has a little mark in the thermometer that will show you when your water is ready. And also the shape is very convenient and easy. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. And if you want me to review any type of products or a blend or anything, leave a comment below and we'll get to it.